Doll manufacturing begins with precise selection of vinyl raw materials. Each pellet formulation is tuned for softness, durability, and skin-like texture.
Accurate mixing ensures uniform color and consistent flexibility in every doll body.
Design data defines facial expression, size, and realistic proportions.
Molds are machined to micrometer accuracy for flawless surface reproduction.
Surface texture directly affects skin realism and paint adhesion.
Every mold is visually inspected before production approval.
Proper sealing guarantees consistent wall thickness during molding. Once logged, the mold is cleared for forming operations. Raw materials and molds are now ready for body forming. The prepared mold enters the controlled heating zone. Vinyl is heated until it reaches precise forming viscosity. Injection pressure is carefully regulated for uniform wall thickness. Material flows through internal channels to form each body section. Rotation ensures even distribution across complex shapes.
Controlled cooling sets the vinyl structure without distortion.
Once cured, the mold is prepared for release. Each component emerges as a hollow, flexible shell. Parts are cooled further to stabilize shape and strength.
The
Formed components are now ready for head detailing and assembly.
Head detailing begins in a controlled, clean environment. Eyes are installed to exact depth for natural expression. Hair rooting defines the doll's final character. Manual and automated processes work together for consistency.
Heat setting locks the hairstyle into place.
Facial details are applied entirely by hand.
Curing ensures durability of all paint layers. Only approved heads continue to body assembly. Head detailing is complete. Head and body assembly begins with matched components.
The next system allows smooth head rotation.
Internal fittings provide strength and articulation.
Each limb is secured for balanced movement.
Proper tension ensures natural posing.
The head is mounted after body balance is confirmed.
Each doll is checked for posture and stability.
Joint articulation is tested manually.
Assembly is completed in uniform batches. The dolls are now ready for clothing and final styling. Dressing transforms the assembled doll into a finished character. Garments are produced using scaled industrial sewing processes.
Each outfit is stitched to match the doll's proportions.
Pressing gives garments a refined appearance. Accessories are assembled to fit securely. Hairstyling remains natural and consistent. Garments are secured for durability during handling.
Accessories complete the visual identity.
Final styling is visually verified. Dolls are prepared as complete sets.
Fit and appearance are tested together.
The dolls now move to final inspection and packaging.
Final inspection verifies every detail before packaging.
Facial finish is checked for symmetry and cleanliness.
Only fully approved units continue forward.
Anti-dust treatment protects surface finishes.
Packaging is designed to protect and present.
Each set is packed as a complete unit.
Boxes are sealed for transport stability.
Random audits ensure packaging consistency.
Bulk cartons are prepared for export.
Each shipment is digitally tracked.
Loads are secured for long-distance transport. Products are dispatched to global markets. From raw material to finished product, the process is complete.